Playing here. We're doing a forecast. This is my first weather chasing here. There's a severe thunderstorm coming in and I'm about ready to go run out into the middle of it. It's actually headed in with 99 miles an hour winds, even though I don't want to take cover. Anyways, it's right over there. As you can see, the land is getting more and more mass. But so far we might have some green clouds and stuff. But yeah, right over there and stuff is like a bad storm. Yeah, and there's a part 2 to this, so I gotta go because I gotta flip the camera other way around. So